Hello everyone, it's me, Blake Strands and more. Today we're going to do a little quick video. There was an estate sale at Randy's Roundhouse just today, and so I thought I'd go pick up some stuff. Now note, these two locomotives are not from the estate sale. I'll get to those later. So anyway, what did I get at the estate sale? Well, obviously, refrigerator cars and buffer car. So I'm going to go over them. Starting off, we have Tropicana. I believe this is a 60 something footer. I think it's a 64 footer. This one has a slight weathering. You can see there's the diesel exhaust. There's the dust and dirt from the rails. Yeah, this is a BLMA model. Next we have another one. This one, same thing. Not as weathered, but still a little bit of weathering. Next we have, this one is an exact rail. Union Pacific. I believe it's a 64 footer as well. Yeah. Pretty cool. Pretty detailed. And this one is another BLMA model. Same thing, just slightly less detailed, but it's still pretty good detail. These were all 25 apiece, which is pretty good for cars that usually run about $40 to $50 range new. And the last car I got, another one for $25. Scale Trains Rivet Counter Buffer Car. This is my second air slide. Now all I need is ethanol tankers, so I can have a tank train. Yeah, it's got a nice weathering job to it. Lots of good detail. Blue painted roller bearing caps. Yeah, pretty cool. And it says, buffer service only. Here's the other stuff. Built new 584 air slide. So yeah, pretty good stuff. Then the next two are the locomotives. Now this first locomotive I got from a friend a while back, and it got shipped a couple weeks ago, but I haven't been able to look at it because I've been in Omaha. But Athearn Alco, I think RS3? I don't know. Alco fans know more about this than I do. Supposedly it's got DCC and sound, and I only paid about $150 for this, so yeah, it's definitely not the Genesis one, but still DCC and sound is pretty cool. And I love the paint scheme. And finally, we have another Dash 8. I'm up to like 5 Dash 8s now. This one being UP 9400, or the 1000th Dash 8. That's the only reason I got this from Atlas. I pre-ordered this, so pre-ordered it back in April of 25, and it finally got here in January of 2026, when it was supposed to get here in October and then November. But yeah, it's got the low ditch lights, which I think actually work. Supposedly the box says it's DCC ready and already is sound equipped. Or probably just means it has a speaker, but that means if I get a decoder, this would be sound and DCC. So yeah, pretty cool to have another Dash 8 and a wide cab too. Yeah, this one is of course scrapped in real life. Probably same with this one, but yeah, just a quick collection update. I have more stuff to go over, but once I get my own place and get all my model trains accounted for, then I'll do a whole collection video. But until that point, this is it. So I'll see you guys later. Bye.